In this video, I show you how you can configure the live account or Hotmail account or basically any account that is used in any other app to Gmail account. So what we can do is just simply, let's say we have an email ID open in Gmail. Just go to this gear icon which says settings, click on see all settings. And from here, we will click on accounts and import. And here, if we scroll down, you can see this check mail account for other accounts, add a mail account. Just click on that, enter your email address that you want to add, click next. And here we will select this option right here, link accounts with Gmailify. So click next. Now here it will ask you for all these permissions by Gmail. Click on accept. And now we have successfully added our Hotmail account in our Gmail account. So let's close here. And as we go to the inbox right here, you can see that now we have started receiving the emails directly in our Hotmail account. Now, if you're having some trouble, that's because you have not already logged in into the live account. Make sure that whenever you try to do all of this, make sure when you go to the Hotmail, it automatically signs in, or let's say if you click on sign in, it should automatically load. If it is asking you for the password here and it's not added already, then it should ask you for the password to confirm and then it should link. So that's it, guys. This is hopefully a pretty straightforward video. Now we are receiving all of our emails. So that's it, guys. This is hopefully a pretty straightforward video. This is how you can receive all of your Hotmail, Yahoo or any other ID emails directly onto the Gmail.